Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification button. Happy watching! Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cook the simple baked rice. I used the rice that I cooked last night. One tablespoon of margarine or butter. Mix well with the rice. Add some peppers, add some dried herbs, mix peppercorns to add the flavor to the rice. Since I still have some stock of prawns, I'm adding to my baked rice. I just arrange on the top of the rice. I still have some cabbage in my fridge too, so I'm going to use this. Or if you don't like to use cabbage, you can choose your own vegetable as your preference. Slice the cabbage. Arrange it on the top of the prawn. Grate the cheddar cheese on the top of the cabbage. And mozzarella cheese. I add some more mixed peppercorns. I make some holes on the top of the cheese to place the egg on it. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees. Cover it up with aluminum foil. And ready to bake. Bake at 180 degrees for 40 minutes. Take the aluminum foil out. Bake for another 5 minutes. 2 brownings of cheese. Now it's ready to serve.